What's up guys, welcome back to Techno Crafters. If you want to make some banging acid techno beats with your Maschine MK3 and Ableton Live, you're in for a treat. I got a completely free, ready-to-go Ableton Maschine MK3 project designed specifically for acid techno. It's packed with drum loops inspired by legends like Jeff Mills, Charlotte de Witte and Richie Hawtin. So stick around and I'll tell you exactly where to grab the download so you can using it right away. This is a huge time saver. Everything's mapped out with key-tuned samples, but you can easily swap them for your own sounds. Plus, I've included 6 drum loops to get your track rolling. Intro loops to set the vibe. Dynamic patterns to keep things evolving and interesting. And build-ups and drops to add tension and energy. If you've been struggling to get your acid techno tracks to hit hard, drop a comment below about the challenges you're facing in Ableton and let me know what you want to see next. I'll put together a step-by-step tutorial packed with tips and tricks just for you. Now check this out. Here's the same project you'll be downloading before and after processing. Hear that? To get that sound, I use a mix of Ableton's built-in plugins and some powerful third-party tools like iZotope, Ozone and D16 Devastor. These plugins take your sound to the next level, and here's the sneak peek at what we'll cover. Drum bus processing to give you beats, punch and character. Acid bass lines shaping for that gritty, hypnotic groove. And mastering chain to glue it all together and make it hit hard. There's so much more to share, but one video can only cover so much. So here's the deal. Hit subscribe and turn on notifications now, and let me know in the comments what you want me to dive into next. Whether it's acid bass lines, drum processing, or mastering tips, you get to decide the next tutorial. If you want to grab the Maschine MK3 Ableton Live template featured in this video, head over to my website at brucemanel.com and check out the Downloads tab. It's completely free, so don't miss out and start creating amazing tracks today. For exclusive tips on how to make your Maschine drum samples shine using the Ozone multiband compressor and limiter, be sure to watch this video. Your drum bus will come to life.